Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to convert your JPG file to a PDF file. And I'm using here the website ilovepdf.com. This website is awesome to do this. So let's say I click here on JPG to PDF and we want to select the JPG images. So we go to downloads and let's say I want to use, let's say, this picture. This is a picture of an Amazon video. Now we can select the landscape or the page orientation that you want to use, portrait or landscape. No, I like the portrait. You can do the page size if you want to, but A4 is for me fine. And then the margins, you can do it smaller, bigger, but no margin is fine for me. Then we do convert to PDF, download PDF. And right now, if I click here on this file, I have my picture in a PDF. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.